Good morning, Ria. You look very fresh and active today.
Good morning, Ahmed. Thank you. I woke up early today, and I am feeling calm and energetic.
That is really nice to hear. Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I slept early, so my body feels relaxed and light this morning.
That is good. What are you planning to do now?
I am thinking about going for a morning walk because the weather is pleasant and the air feels fresh.
That sounds like a very healthy habit. Morning walks are good for both the body and the mind.
Yes, when I go for a walk, my mood becomes better and my stress reduces.
The weather looks nice today, Ria. It is not too hot and not too cold.
Yes, Ahmed, it feels perfect for walking. The sky is clear, and the breeze is very cool.
Do you go for a walk every day?
I try to go daily, but sometimes I miss it when I feel lazy or busy.
I understand. However, even a short walk can make a significant difference.
That is true. Walking helps me feel fresh and positive for the whole day.
I also like walking because it gives me time to think peacefully.
Yes, it is like spending quiet time with yourself.
This park looks beautiful in the morning. The trees are green, and the birds are chirping.
I agree, Ahmed. Nature feels very calm and refreshing at this time of day.
Look at the people around us. Some are jogging, some are stretching, and some are walking slowly.
Yes, everyone is here to take care of their health in their own way.
How long do you usually walk?
I usually walk for about 30 minutes because it keeps me active without making me tired.
That is a good amount of time. Regular walking improves stamina and digestion.
Exactly. It also helps me sleep better at night.
Do you listen to music while walking, or do you prefer silence?
Sometimes I listen to soft music, but today I want to enjoy the natural sounds.
That is a good choice. Natural sounds help relax the mind.
Yes, and walking also helps control weight and improves heart health.
You are right. Doctors always say that walking is one of the easiest exercises.
And the best part is that it does not need any equipment.
True, we only need comfortable shoes and some motivation.
Motivation is important, but once walking becomes a habit, it feels easy.
I already feel fresh and energetic after this walk.
Me too, Ahmed. My body feels light, and my mind feels peaceful.
Morning walks really set a positive mood for the entire day.
Yes, after walking, I feel ready to work and face daily tasks confidently.
We should continue this habit every day.
Definitely. A healthy morning leads to a healthy life.
All right, let us go home and start our day.
Yes, have a great day ahead, Ahmed.